How to fix low volume on Windows 11. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you must ensure that whether the volumes levels are actually turned off or not on your PC. For that, you can click on this volume button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select this arrow to take your volumes on the PC. So select the gear icon next to the volume mixture and then get access to this page. So you need to simply adjust the volumes as per your need. Also, you need to note that Windows 11 allows you to adjust volumes for different kinds of apps. Using the slider, you can easily adjust the volumes according to your need and preferences. So once you have done that, the second thing what you need to do is you need to try with Windows troubleshooters to fix the issues. For that, go ahead and open the settings on your Android. Go ahead and open the settings on your device or PC. So once you're here, you need to simply search for a troubleshooter and select troubleshoot settings on this drop-down menu box. Once you open it, select other troubleshooters options and you need to run the playing audio troubleshooter. So once you have done that, you need to follow the on-screen prompts in order to fix the issue. You can easily chat with Windows 11 So you can simply chat with the support team of the Windows 11 in order to fix this issue. For that, you have to wait for a while until everything gets loaded here. Once it gets loaded, you can easily get help from the support team as well. So once you are done following both of the steps, your issue of low volume on Windows 11 will be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.